guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to do another update, and today is a grocery haul. It's funny, I was thinking that the last time I did a grocery haul, I was wearing this exact same sweatshirt, but it was in Vlogmas, so weird coincidence. But anyway, it is Friday, January 18th, I think. But wait, yeah, because 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, it is the 18th. So I have completed Monday through Fridays workouts for T25. And normally I don't, sorry, those are my stinky workout clothes hanging out over there. But anyway, I'm all over the place. Normally I don't meal prep until Sunday, or I'll order my groceries. Last time I did the grocery delivery, so I'll order them and pick them up on Saturday, but I won't cook until Sunday. But today we are under a snowstorm advisory, warning, watch, whatever, and it's starting to sprinkle flurry right now. So after work today, I made sure that I got my butt over to the grocery store because I don't want to be out in that snow tomorrow, and I needed to go in store because every month my grocery store, which is a Kroger grocery store, they send me coupons that are very related to, or what do I want to say, they're specific things that I actually buy. So that's why I love shopping there, is because they always send me relevant coupons, is what I want to say. So I looked at what my coupons were, and they're expiring on Sunday, and I was like, you know what, I have stuff at home, and these ingredients, I could definitely make meals out of this. So I'm basically not going to come up with my own recipes. I'm just going to buy every item that I got as a coupon and see how much I save. And guys, you will not believe, I bought $80 worth of food for $50.90. I think it was I know it was in the 80s, and you should have seen the guy who was checking out right after me. He happened to look at the screen of what my total was. So first she asked, "Are you a Fresh Per customer?" And I was like, "Yes." And so it went down to like 77, 78, it was like $3 less. And then I said, "Oh, but I have all these coupons." And I was like, "I'm sorry." She's like, "No, it's fine." It was like 20 coupons. She was swiping them all, and my total went down to $50.90, and the guy's eyes was like, whoa. I'm like, yes. Always, if you go to any grocery store and they have a rewards program, whether it's on sale or not, always put in your customer rewards number, because you never know what you're gonna get in the mail, and you can make huge savings. And I'm just so excited that I got $80 worth of groceries for 50 bucks. And that is typically my goal, is to every week spend $50 or less, and that's about $200 budget a month for groceries. And what was super cool is, let me put you guys down here, was that I had, ooh, I'm crooked. I had, if I spent $20 on produce, I had a $4 off coupon. And I don't think I need to spend that much, because produce can go bad so fast, like lettuce and stuff. So you don't want that stuff just sitting in your refrigerator. But so what I did to make it more expensive is that I bought all of my vegetables organic. And I was like, yes, I get all. Sometimes I'm like, I pick and choose what I buy organic because it can add up. But to get all of my vegetables organic today and get the $4 off made it really affordable for me. So I'm going to be making, I think I'm going to start calling this my detox soup, because it has celery and quinoa, and it's just really nourishing for you. All of the ingredients has a lot of fiber, antioxidants. I put turmeric in it, so all of these things that are anti-inflammatory in the body. So, but it's so delicious, and it's really filling. So I call it my quinoa detox soup or whatever. Celery soup, that's the new craze. I was surprised there was enough celery because everyone's doing juicing and whatnot. But anywho, it requires some parsley, so I got some Italian parsley. This is just my water. I got some large organic brown eggs. So what was I gonna say? So I think the eggs were on sale. I just needed them because I bought a whole bunch of bell pepper, and if I need to make like an omelet or something, I can do that. And bell peppers last like a full week. They hold up pretty well in the fridge. So I wanted to make sure I got stuff like that, not like tomatoes or avocados that like go bad in a day. I did get some avocados. I just know that by the time I'm ready to eat them, they'll be ready to go, you know? I got, let's see. So I'll tell you what was a coupon. So this was part of my $20. Then I got a coupon for some whole wheat spaghetti. And I was like, I normally don't do pasta when I'm doing a fitness program, but you know what? I have these yellow containers, and I know it looks tiny, but you guys, you get a lot. Like, I put like these sweet potato tots in here one day, and I put it in my mason jar, and it like filled up this much, and it was like a nice healthy serving. So I may do 1 or 2 of these. That's gonna be my dinner. My dinner is going to be a pesto chicken spaghetti. Like, I hope that sounds good. I don't know. I thought about doing completely vegetarian this week, but I can see my body leaning out because I've upped my protein, so I'm just gonna stick to that. I only bought 1 meat. I didn't buy ground turkey this week. I just did, because the soup is actually vegan, so there's gonna be no meat or dairy or anything in the soup, but I will have chicken with my pasta, and then I'll have eggs a couple times a week. So, coupon for vegetable broth, so that's why I was like, I'll make my soup. I had a coupon for quinoa or black chia seeds, but they were all out of the black chia seeds. But I had plenty of quinoa at home, so what I ended up doing is I left that coupon where that section was. So if anyone wants to buy quinoa, they're gonna have like 80 cents off, I think. So I do that too. Like, I knew that coupon was gonna expire in a couple of days and I wasn't gonna be able to use it in time. So I'll just leave that coupon exactly where that product is. And I remember doing it with eggs, and I came back around to like get something else out of that aisle, and that coupon was gone. Like, so I know that like it's kind of like paying it forward, you know? So I do that, but I have plenty of my red quinoa here, so I haven't run out of that. And then I got canned organic. I always do, if I do canned tomatoes, it's always organic. They didn't have my fire roasted. Those are so good, but they were out. But 2 cans, I got a coupon off. Coupon for some pasta sauce. Coupon for my favorite peanut butter. You guys know I love doing my steel cut oats with peanut butter. What else? So all of my bell peppers, all organic. I got green, yellow, red, and orange. So that was part of that $20. And I put my produce up front so I could see how much it was, and it was like $21. So I estimated right the $20 that I needed to spend in order to get the coupon to work. So it was probably like $19 plus tax. So that's how I got the coupon. But I got some arugula. I haven't done arugula in a while, but I love arugula with eggs. I do have another tomato in my fridge, so sometimes I like chop up some tomato and I have those frozen green beans with, I can make an arugula salad with green beans and tomato and some garlic, and sounds good, right? I can have that with my chicken. I got spinach, just a small one. I still have quite a bit left of that big one, and they were all out of those, but if I don't use all my spinach, can always freeze it and use it in smoothies. So that's that. More bags. So then I also, TMI, but when I get my feminine products, I really need to switch over to a cleaner brand. Like, you guys hold me accountable. Like, I really need to stop using this store stuff because I know it's not like organic cotton or whatever. But anyway, these were on sale, plus I had a coupon. So, and I just got off of my monthly, so I am out of my product. So I wanted to get that now, so when you do start, you're not scrambling for, be prepared, right? So that was also included, and I tell you guys things like that because that's a part of your budget too, like cleaning products and all of that. So I try to make all of that fit into my $50. Like, I'm not kidding when it comes to that. So, hummus. Oh no, my hummus. Guys, I got a whole thing of hummus for free. This was a free coupon. So I am right now heating up my oven. You guys saw those tortilla chips that I made. I'm gonna bake some of those and have it with hummus as like a snack. I also have celery for the soup, also organic, and another canned tomato. 2 things of chicken. I got like $14 worth of organic free-range chicken breasts. There's 4 pretty good pieces, so about like a piece a day for 4 days or a half day. I don't really eat that much, portion out that much for me. So 2 packages of that was good. Some organic baby carrots for the soup. I got my vanilla unsweetened almond milk for smoothies. That wasn't on a coupon. So even the things that weren't actually, it was on sale still though. So even the things that weren't, I didn't have a coupon for, they were still on sale. So really lucked up. I got 2 cans of black beans because I had a coupon. And I love having these in my pantry because if I run out of something and like there's a snowstorm right now, I can whip up a really quick meal with some black beans, like all the time. My Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning, I got the onion, it's my oven, the onion and herb, so love these salt-free seasonings. And some avocados. One I think will be ready by Sunday and I can make like some avocado toast and scrambled eggs, but then the other 2 are not ripe at all. So, and I don't want to eat them until later in the week because I've been eating quite a bit. I had 3 avocados last week, so I'm kind of like good on the avocado. I had avocado last night, so I'll let these get ripe, but 3 organic avocados for $5. These were 2 for $6, but then I had a 75-cent off coupon, and it all still added up to $20, and then I got an additional $4. Amazing. So I will continue to go into the grocery store when I have a large sum of coupons and I want to spend them all. Otherwise, I will also continue to use that delivery service because I spent about 45 minutes in the grocery store today. It wasn't too bad. I was supposed to have a call, so I was actually rushing to get out of there. I think that's the reason why I got out of there in under 40 minutes. But other than that, sorry. I got 2 frozen pizzas. It was buy one, get one free. So these, while it's a cheap meal, I got these because they're just gonna sit in my freezer. I may eat one tonight just because I'm gonna be snowed in, and honestly, I'm not going anywhere or out to eat, so I have those on standby in case I just want to pop in. It's a really thin crust supreme pizza with vegetables and stuff on it, but you know, it's not the healthiest thing in the world, but balance, right? So I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little grocery haul. I'm pretty sure I will show you guys recipes on how I make the soup. It's on my Insta stories, so you've seen this. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this soup a number of times, and how the pasta comes out. I'm really excited. I don't want to really cook anything until Sunday though, because this is for my meal prep. But yeah, that's all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.